The sweet smell of dessert fills the house, while all the guests are eager to find out what's in the oven.
You may ask how difficult it is to make a treat that all can enjoy. It really isn't that hard.
That's why, in this tutorial, we will be teaching you how to create the classic American lemon bar.
It is a sweet and citrus treat that can wow guests at a party.
We are going to start off this tutorial by creating the crispy crust that will create a good base foundational flavor for the tart tang. However, before we start, in gray you will see the necessary ingredients for creating the crust. We start off with 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup. These things can also be substituted with Greek yogurt or olive oil. Second, you need 2 cups of flour. This provides structure to the crust, making it able to hold the lemon tart. Thirdly, we need 1 cup of the powdered sugar. This makes the crust sweet and gives it most of its flavor. Finally, you need a pinch of salt, which will bring everything together.
The filling is what brings the citrus flavor to the crust. The most important thing for the backbone of the filling is the eggs. As you can see here, we need 4 eggs for the tart. The yolks of the eggs we need for moisturizing the fats. It also helps emulsify the butter. The generous 2 cups of sugar help sweeten up the overwhelming lemon. We will also put 6 tablespoons of flour to raise the viscosity. Lastly, 6 tablespoons of lemon juice makes the lemon bars flavor what they are. However,
Picking fresh lemons is a good way of getting quality lemon juice.
However, this amount can vary if you would like more lemony flavor.
So now we're going to start baking the crust. First off, make sure to soften the butter by either leaving it out for 2 to 3 hours or quickly microwaving it until it is soft. First off, mix your flour, sugar, and salt into a large mixing bowl. Mix and be sure, mix until it is evenly distributed, and make sure to make a divot in the center to optimize the mixing in of the butter. Next, take out clumps of butter one by one and stir them in. You want to keep stirring until there is no big chunks left and you have a sand-like texture. Once you're done stirring, get out your 12 by 8 or 13 by 9 tray. Then make sure to use either a method to non-stick it. So here we're using wax paper, but you can really use whatever you want. Canola oil, butter, whatever you prefer. And once you have that in there, you take out your mixed sand-like textured crust, and you kind of just dump it in. And then you use your fingers to pat it down into a thin coating evenly distributed among the top. So yeah, if you want to, you feel free to use a spatula. You don't need to use your fingers, but it just makes the process quicker. After you're done patting it down, put the crust in the oven and set your timer to 20 minutes.
When the crust is baking, it's a really good idea to start working on the filling. The first step in making the filling is to crack the egg. Sometimes this is a really big challenge, but if you are an experienced egg cracker, you could buy one of these egg cracking tools. After you crack the eggs, whisk until you see no difference between the yolks and the egg white. When you're done, add the lemon juice to the beaten eggs. Mix them together until you can't decipher the difference between the eggs and the lemon juice. Then you will need to mix the sugar and the flour together in a separate bowl. Mix the sugar and flour together until thoroughly mixed. And then pour the sugar flour mixture into the egg. Then mix with a large spoon. This can take a while, but make sure not to overmix. This will ruin the lemon bars.
After baking for the proper amount of time, take the crust out and place it to cool for around 5 minutes.
Evenly distribute the filling onto the hot crust. Once done, place in the oven for 20 minutes.
After baking for 20 minutes, take the lemon bars out of the oven and let them cool. Then place them in the refrigerator until you'd like to serve them. We've always loved lemon bars.
This informational speech has really given us the opportunity to share this great treat with the world.